Hi there, everyone. This is ABC 13 meteorologist Elise Smith here with an update on this ABC 13 Weather Alert Day. We have declared today, Monday, a Weather Alert Day because of the potential for strong to severe weather that could really happen across southeast Texas today in the morning, afternoon, and even into the evening. Let me break down what the latest thinking is we have here at ABC 13. And with helpful guidance from the Storm Prediction Center, the latest data is suggesting that not only do we have the chance for multiple tornado-warned storms today, but we have the chance for EF2 or greater tornadoes today in southeast Texas. That means tornadoes that could potentially have winds of 100 to 111 miles per hour plus today. So that is definitely the latest update we have this morning. And the Storm Prediction Center, too, of course, highlighting that threat specifically for portions of Houston and Harris County, Montgomery County, Liberty, Chambers, and even Galveston County, and then farther to the east as well in Beaumont, Texas. And this threat extends really the Gulf Coast all the way to New Orleans, Mobile, and Pensacola as well. But here in southeast Texas, that yellow area, which is for the central and eastern portion of southeast Texas, that's where we could potentially see some of those strong tornadoes today. But not only that, we have almost a severe weather up on the board. We could potentially, of course, see some street flooding. We already had some rain this morning, and with thunderstorms in the forecast, we're not going to rule that out. It is Houston. However, the main threats today are the potential for damaging wind gusts as well, some hail, and tornadoes. And that tornado threat begins now and extends all the way until about 3 o'clock today. And then once a cold front moves through, we kind of lose the rotation that we could see with thunderstorms, but we replace it with the potential for some very strong gusty winds because this weather system is windy in and of itself. So even if you don't see severe weather in your neighborhood today, we could still see wind gusts up to about 40 to 50 miles per hour, which could lead to some minor tree damage and even some power outages just because of how windy this weather system is without that severe weather potential. It's why we have a wind advisory that's in effect until 6 p.m. tomorrow. So I'm going to go through future track for you. Remember, this isn't an exact picture of what's going to happen, but it generally shows the potential for some of these strong isolated thunderstorms, which are the ones capable of producing tornadoes in the forecast through about 3 p.m. Then we start to see the influence of the cold front roll through. You see that linear structure of thunderstorms developing just east of College Station, extending through Brenham and Texas. This is 2 p.m. It makes its way to Houston a bit faster. This weather system is moving pretty quickly, so the timing is a little farther up today. So this could roll in as early as 4 or 5 o'clock to Houston. So if you are headed to the College Football National Championship, this is something you have to be aware of. You're going to run into traffic just because of, well, Houston traffic, but then also the potential for some strong thunderstorms. Now, behind that line, we could potentially see a few showers develop, but the severe weather threat will really be over by about 7, 8 o'clock, and then we're left with a chilly and breezy Tuesday. So your Houston 7 to 10 day forecast now, of course, today being a weather alert day. Tomorrow is going to be windy and chilly with temperatures only hovering in the 50s. We have a quiet day Wednesday. Then by the end of the week, we are going to be monitoring the next weather system that could roll through and bring some rain to round out the week. And then we have potentially chilly temperatures for next weekend with a winter cool down on the way to southeast Texas.